Okay, so for this problem it says determine the exponential function whose graph is given. So I know the exponential function is of this form. It tells us that f of x equals k times a of x. So we don't know what these values are though, but we do know some points that are on the function. So we can pick any of these points. Remember, each point has an x value and a y value. We could pick any of these points. The one I'm going to pick is this one right here though, because it's easy to plug a 0 in. That's the easiest number to probably plug in. So let's plug a 0 in for x and a -1 in for y. So I'll have -1 equals k times a to the 0 power, because 0 is going to be our x. So remember, anything to the 0 power is 1. So then we have -1 equals k times 1, because anything to the 0 power is 1. So then we can see what our k is. K is going to be equal to -1. So that's our first step, is to solve for k. Now we also need to solve for a. We don't know what a is. So let's now plug our k in. We'll say f of x equals -1 times a to the x power. Now let's plug in another value for x and y. So we can pick maybe this one right here, 1, -2. So I'm going to put -2 in the f of x spot, because that's our y, and I'm going to put 1 in our x spot. So now I can divide both sides by -1 to find out that a to the 1 power, well, 1 power just is a equals 2, because -2 divided by -1 is 2. So now that I know what a and k are, we can just say our final function, f of x equals -1 times 2 to the x power, which simplified is -2 to the x power.